how to connect your Akashx to TradexMaster. This is Akashx app. Once you downloaded it, you open it, make sure you have login. Once you log in, then you need to come to connect. You see the account is not connected, so you tap on connect. Then that's you disclaimer. You click on this disclaimer and put your name. Put in your name. Put your full name. Then you sign here. This is where you're going to sign. And once I click submit, you're now going to select platform. Click on select platform. Then I'm selecting Trade Locker, and the email that I use for the account, I'm going to put it here. Put the email for the account here. The same email that you use to create the TradexMaster. Then you go to your email and copy the trading ID. You minimize and go to the email and copy the trading ID. In this case, this is the trading ID here. Copy the trading ID, come back here and paste the trading ID. Then the account password. I'm going to copy the account password and come and paste here. You go to the same email and scroll up. You go to the same email and scroll up. When you scroll up, you see the account password. I've pasted the account password there. I'm going to repeat it again here. So I pasted the account password there. Then the broker name, type here and select the broker name. The broker name, make sure you select TradexMaster. TradexMaster is the broker name. Then the server you are creating is TradexMaster challenge account. This is for challenge account you're connecting for the first time. Then now make sure you cross check all these details. Cross check them and make sure it's correct before you continue. Once you are sure of your details, now click on connect. So automatically you can see showing connecting. So you need to wait and allow it to connect. Showing connecting. So you can see this is the Akashx dashboard. So let's see, it's still showing connecting. So you can see it's now showing connected. So this is how you can connect accounts, and you can see the balance is reflecting here $10,000 for trading. So let's move. If you're here to join Akashx, join today and start trading. And let's meet in the next video. If you have any question, comment in the comment section, and let's continue building wealth together.